Hey guys, welcome to the episode 6 of the React-A-Thon. Gotten to the anime portion of things. There's a few trailers, few more trailers to drop, so we're just gonna probably just react to all of them at once. Um, so first we have the Chainsaw Man Assassin's Arc official trailer teaser. I am assuming that that is the next arc for Chainsaw Man after Razor arc. Okay, so first we have the Chainsaw Man teaser. See what they're talking about here. The music switch up. Chainsaw Man really knows how to set the tone with just music. Yo, they got Denji. Oh, this might be a horror season. Razor Arc was like a horror movie. I like what I seen. I like what I seen. Um, Clicking all a bunch of stuff, but yeah, definitely excited to see Chainsaw Man. Not any more than I already was, but actually a little bit more. I'm not gonna lie. I know season 2 of Chainsaw Man is going to be good. I just know it. It's already in my big three. Um, People will think My Hero is still in the big three. That's literally not possible since the anime's ended. It can't be in the big three anymore. There's no more My Hero the show. So what are you talking about? People that be replying to me in comments. What are you talking about, bro? But yeah, Chainsaw Man is in my big three. And I know they're gonna do well. It's gonna be such uh a good thing to watch. So yeah, Kaiju number 8, final chapter production confirmed trailer. I'm assuming the next content, anime content that they have, it's not gonna be a full season for sure. It might just be a 2, 3, 4 episode long arc. I'm told there's not much left to go, but let's see if this piques my interest for Kaiju number 8, which is a pretty good anime. I give it like an 8.2. Damn, man, I can't read the subtitles that fast. Is that now? I think that's now. Wow. I think I saw a berserker form. Okay. Okay. All right. Normally week at work. We ain't watching that, bro. We ain't watching those filler episodes, man. Keep that. Okay, that definitely got me more excited to watch Kaiju number 8. I am excited to see the final chapter, to see that chapter close. It actually really is a solid trailer. I like all the characters. I like how they all play their part. Girl with the yellow hair and the captains, they all do their part. No one's getting washed. Everyone is pulling their weight. Unlike Ijin and Gachikuta. But let's get on to the next trailer. Some kind of Mashal. I think this is a season 3 trailer. because it's saying 2027, and the rest of the characters are in Japanese. But I think it's a Mashal season 3 trailer. So 34 seconds. Let's see what they cooking. I don't remember that guy. Okay, so I didn't see anything new. I mean 2027, so they probably just barely started working on it. Am I excited for Mashal? I definitely am. It's a feel-good anime. Every episode is just enjoyable. The stakes aren't high at all. I feel like the stakes are not high. I don't think anyone is gonna die in this series. It's just a fun little anime. But I'm looking forward to that in 2027. So now we have the One Piece Elbaf arc trailer, Fisher trailer. I don't even know what Elbaf is going to be about. I know there's going to be giants, but what's the conflict going to be on this island? That's what I want to know. And I think the manga is still in Elbaf as well. So let's see what they're talking about in here. I know it's going to be animated well. Of course, a new drip. I like the new drip. Okay, that must have been like some rough drafts. Definitely hoping the art and animation is better than that. I expect far superior art and animation if they're taking a 3-month break until April. But definitely looking forward to it. Do I think it's gonna be better than Egghead? I honestly don't think so. Egghead was really, really good. Arguably might have been one of the best arcs in One Piece. I don't know. It might be top 3. But there's this other trailer. It might be another Mashal trailer because it's saying 2027. I actually don't know because it's not in English. But let's see if this is a new trailer or oh, it's Haikyuu. I hope it's actually Haikyuu. Is this live action? Or is it just 3D? The final 8? Damn, so we gotta wait 2027. That was basically like Mashal. The Mashal trailer, they didn't show us nothing. I wasn't expecting it to show us that. But I need to see if there's any new Haikyuu content out. I think there was a movie. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if there's anything after the first couple of matches of the finals. I haven't watched the anime since then. But I'm looking for Haikyuu to come back. It's never gonna be better than Hajime no Ippo. That's the #1 sports anime for me of all time, and it's never gonna change. And that's actually my #1 anime of all time. I think that was it for the anime trailers. I'm gonna react to the Gacha Yakuta game in a separate video probably. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next.